Today is the day! The Emotional Reset Bundle is officially available. If you've been looking for practical tools to help you better understand your emotions and build healthier habits, even to create space for intentional self-care, this bundle was created just for you. It includes 5 carefully designed resources that you can use at your own pace whenever you need them. Be the first to click on the link and purchase your Emotional Reset Bundle. I remain yours truly, Oluwagbemisola Juliana Akinlade Ogaji, and the founder of Debzane Concept. See you inside the bundle. Bye.